Hi guys, another unboxing, another gastos, another video. Thank you for watching Octofoot by Bikes. So let's start. So the shoes that we will be unboxing for today is a signature shoes of one of the star player ng Houston Rockets, and that's Chris Paul. The shoes I am referring to is the Jordan CP3 XII PF. Let's look at it. Okay, so let's examine these shoes. Simulan natin sa box. The box is just a normal black Jordan box with the gold Jumpman logo at the top. Sa side, meron din Jumpman logo. And some details on the other side na may size na 9.5. So that's my size. Okay, so let's look at it. Okay, again, another shoes that I copied by one. Wala pa nito sa Philippines. Hasn't been released yet. So ganda kung mapapasa ito. So we have the unique paper because it has number 23 on it. And eto na, the Jordan CP3 CP3 XII. Okay. So guys, look at this. Ganda ng kulay niya, no? Okay. So that's the color. I think the color here is black and university red. Okay? So if you will look at this closely, tignan natin yung details niya. This is a performance knit. Medyo comfortable siya. Combination of black and red. On the other side, it's a leather quarter panel. Yung meron siyang foot lacing system on this side, which allows you to do movement ng maayos with lateral stability. Okay, especially if you will be using this as your basketball shoes. Pero maganda rin siyang pang-forma. Diba? Ano ang kulay niya? Parang normal na colorway ng Jordan. Okay, you have a little Jumpman, red Jumpman logo on this side. You have the number 3, yung jersey number ni Chris Paul on this side. At the rear part, you will also see a red Jumpman logo. Okay? And yung tongue niya, eto. Guys, this is the new logo of Chris Paul. Parang owl. Kasi di ba yung owl, sinasabi nila that owl is the wisest animal sa planet. So, siguro yung kanyang skills, basketball IQ, mataas. Kaya he considered himself as the wisest of them all. Yung logo, sabi rito, it is actually a combination of the zodiac sign of his family. I don't know, i-research ko muna kung ano-ano mga sign yun nandiyan. Pero that's the new logo. Okay? CP3 logo. The midsole is a combination of white and red. Okay? The insole is just a plain color red with a Jumpman logo on it. Yung outsole niya, may herringbone on the side, white herringbone with a red base. So, ang ganda nung pinagkaiba nito yung traction niya. For sure, maganda rin. And if you would look closely, dito sa herringbone logo, meron kayong makikitang logo ng Jumpman. I don't know if it's visible. White din kasi yung color ng Jumpman logo. And the logo of an owl on the side. Kita niyo ba? Yan. Okay. So that's it. Let's take a look at the other pair. Okay, and quickly close this. So yeah, it's almost the same. Again, this shoes hasn't been released here in the Philippines. Pag kinuha mo to, baka ikaw ang meron lang ito. I don't know. Pero I haven't seen it here sa Titan, sa Nike, sa Soul Academy or any other shoe outlet here in the Philippines. Okay? So, what do you think, guys? The new Jordan CP3 XII PF. Okay? Rotate ulit natin for you to be able to see it on different angles. Okay? So, yan. Nice, ang ganda. Okay? So, once again, I'll be posting this on my FB page, Octofoot by Bikes. Please like it, follow it, and send me a message if you want to cop this one. That's it. Thank you so much again for watching this video blog. God bless and take care.